Hello students. In the previous offline classes we have discussed chapter 1. This is your social studies book of class 5. Today we will discuss chapter 2 of your social studies book from your course book. The name of the chapter is Map Our Guide. As I explained you earlier also that what is the importance of map and what are the merits of map and what is globe, what are the demerits of globe. You know, I have explained you earlier. मैंने क्लास में बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है, दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस भी लिखाया है. But as per your course book we have to discuss this chapter again. So students, you know what is map. Map is a flat discrimination of a place. We can draw a map on a wall also. Imagine how difficult it would be to tell the exact location of a lane or a building in your area. It is here that map comes into picture as they tell you the exact location of the place, how to reach there. मैप एक ऐसा साधन है जो हमें डायरेक्ट लोकेशन में पहुंचा सकता है. बाय द हेल्प ऑफ मैप वी कैन रीच द डायरेक्ट लोकेशन. ओके, दे ऑल्सो हेल्प यू टू ऑर्गेनाइज इंफॉर्मेशन एंड रीच योर डेस्टिनेशन. मीन्स सारे इंफॉर्मेशन को एक जगह कलेक्ट करने के लिए और डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंचने के लिए भी ये जो मैप्स हैं इनका यूज़ हुआ है. Map is a drawing. What is map? Now let's see what is map. Map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface like paper, cardboard or wood. Means map जो है एक drawing है. Drawing किसका है? Flat surface का, ताकि हम उसको उसमें पेपर पे, कार्डबोर्ड पे, वुड पे ड्रॉ करके एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन तक पहुंच सकते हैं. ठीक है. देन वर्ड मैप इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड मैपोमुंडी. मैपोमुंडी, वेयर मैपो मीन्स अ नैपकिन एंड मुंडी मीन्स द वर्ल्ड. यू नो, मैपो मीन्स द नैपकिन एंड मुंडी मीन्स द वर्ल्ड. It means the napkin of the world. It means the napkin of the world. Napkin means एक plain paper जिस पर हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं एक कोई भी पार्ट को, हमारे अर्थ के किसी भी पार्ट को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. कोई स्टेट, कंटिनेंट, रिवर्स, प्लेट्यूज, माउंटेन्स, हिल्स, सब हम उसमें ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Map can be drawn to show the whole world or even a very small part of it can be easily flatted like a napkin. Map may be of continent, countries, cities or even the neighborhood. You can also make a map of your house and show all of the details of it. हम अपने घर का भी मैप बना सकते हैं और उसमें सारी डिटेल्स, कौन सा बेडरूम है, वॉशरूम है, ठीक है, कौन सा किचन है, कौन सा लिविंग रूम है, ड्राइंग रूम है, डाइनिंग रूम है, ये सारे हम उस मैप में भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सो मैप इज़ अ वेरी हेल्पफुल. अगर हम किसी घर का मैप ड्रॉ करके आपको दे दिए कि दिस इज़ द मैप ऑफ दैट प्लेस एंड यू विल ईजिली फाइंड आउट विच रूम इट इज़. Though a globe is very useful for studying about the earth and it is true model of the earth, but it has certain limitations. जो ग्लोब है, ग्लोब वाकई में ग्लोब क्या है? ग्लोब एक ट्रू मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ है. ऐसे ही हमारा अर्थ भी है, लेकिन हम उसके साथ कुछ लिमिटेशंस भी है. वो लिमिटेशंस क्या है, आइए हम देखते हैं. अ ग्लोब ऑक्यूपाइज ए लॉट्स ऑफ स्पेस. आपको पता है ग्लोब जो है लॉट्स ऑफ, अगर हम आपको कैरी करने के लिए बोले तो इट इज़ क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट टू कैरी अ ग्लोब रादर देन मैप. Map you can easily carry. You just fold the page on the map and put inside your bag and you can easily carry that map. Okay, it is not easy to carry the globe from one place to another. See, the globe is heavy, big in size, so it is quite difficult to carry from one place to another. It cannot show detailed information. We can't see the detailed information on the globe. Okay, because of these limitations, the map is drawn on a flat surface and map can overcome all these shortcomings. ये सारे शॉर्टकमिंग्स को हटाने के लिए मैप ड्रॉ किया गया, और मैप से क्या हुआ कि हम मैप में इजीली कंटिनेंट्स, नेचुरल रिसोर्स, एग्रीकल्चरल फार्मिंग, फर्टाइल लैंड, बैरन लैंड, कुछ भी हम उसमें आराम से शो कर सकते हैं किसी भी प्लेस पे ऑन अ मैप. In comparison to a globe, map gives more specific and detailed information. Map shows locations and features like types of land, natural resource, agricultural and industries. These we can easily see on the map. Okay, on the map, but it is quite difficult to show on the globe. Resources, climate, population, distribution, place of tourist interest, roadways and railways route. We can even enlarge the features of small areas and show them clearly on the map. A book which contains map is called atlas. See students, it's very simple. The book which contains lots of map of different places, different countries, different continents, that is what? The collection of different pages of map in a single book is what? Atlas. That is atlas. So, rest students will discuss in next video lecture types of map. This I have already explained you in the class, but as per your book I have to run. So, I will explain you this in the next video lectures. Till then, you just watch the video carefully and read the chapter again and again, and if you will find any of the difficulties, you can contact me on your WhatsApp. Okay, you can message me in your group, not personal, and personally you can't message because this is the official site and you just follow all the rules and regulations which we are instructing you. Okay students, then watch the video carefully, read the chapter carefully. Chapter number 2 I have explained you also in the class when we were running offline, but the time is critical and now we are reading in online type, and so students work hard and try to get all the word meanings from the dictionary. If you will not find any of the confusion, then you can ask me also. Till just read the chapter carefully and mind it that if you will read, you will get all the confusions very clearly, and you will just learn the question answers too. I will give you the extra question whether likewise I was giving earlier, and just you read it and get the meanings also. If you will not find, then contact me also. Thank you.